A remarkable celestial event unfolded across the United States on November 11th to 12th, 2025. Thanks to a powerful solar storm, many parts of the country that rarely, if ever, see the Aurora Borealis were treated to vivid light shows in the night sky. A massive eruption of charged solar particles, known as a coronal mass ejection (CME), blasted off the sun and collided with Earth's magnetic field. The monitoring agency NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center (SWPC) issued a G4 Severe Geomagnetic Storm Watch, level 4 out of 5, indicating an event capable of both spectacular auroras and technological disruptions. The auroras extended farther south than usual, from states like Texas and Florida to northern parts of the U.S., giving many people outside the usual high-latitude Aurora belt a chance to witness them. Where you could see them. The display was seen in dozens of states. Reports came from places as far south as Florida and Texas, and from both coasts. If you were in a dark, open area away from city lights during the night of November 11th or early November 12th, you might have seen a green, red, or pink glow dancing across the sky. Why this matters? Scientific significance. Events like this provide real-time views into how solar activity affects Earth, not just for beautiful light shows but for space weather monitoring. For example, the auroras demonstrate how solar plasma interacts with Earth's magnetosphere and atmosphere. Technology and infrastructure. A G4 level geomagnetic storm can disturb radio communications, GPS systems, and power grids, though during this event no major catastrophic failures have been widely reported. Cultural/visual impact. Seeing the northern lights in places where they are rarely visible brings awe and sparks public interest in astronomy and space weather. What to look out for and how to watch. If you missed the display this time, here are some tips for future aurora sightings. Go to a location with minimal light pollution. Dark skies give auroras the best chance to shine. Look toward the northern horizon in the northern hemisphere. During intense storms, the aurora can extend downwards. Use a camera with long exposure or enable night mode on your smartphone to capture colors you might not fully see with the naked eye. Keep an eye on space weather forecasts. Agencies like NOAA SWPC publish alerts when conditions are favorable for auroras. A look ahead. The event isn't necessarily over. Scientists note that further solar ejecta might still reach Earth, and although the intensity may decline, there could be another night of auroras for skywatchers. That said, even if the aurora is active, local weather, clouds, rain, and light pollution can diminish visibility. Why this is noteworthy for Nigeria/Africa. Although Nigeria and the broader equatorial/tropical regions are too far south to reliably see the Aurora Borealis, this event is still of global interest. It emphasizes how solar storms are global phenomena, with potential effects on satellites, power systems, and communications all around the world. It is a reminder of our connection to space weather. What happens on the sun can ripple to Earth. If conditions were extremely strong, which they weren't enough for large-scale equatorial auroras this time, sometimes low-latitude auroras are visible, though those are rare. Final thoughts. What started as a burst on the sun became a vivid spectacle across skies in the U.S., reminding us that Earth's magnetosphere and atmosphere are dynamic and intertwined with solar activity. For many people who ordinarily would never see the aurora, this was a chance to glimpse nature's high-voltage art. Whether you caught it or not, the event serves as a prompt to look up more often, pay attention to what's happening above, and appreciate the wider cosmos in which we all live.